Hello students, I am Nisha Nair. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic catalyst, different type of catalyst and application of catalyst. So, what is catalyst? Catalyst is used to increase the rate of reactions. It is a substance or it's a molecule which help to increase the rate of reaction. If a reaction is slow, for example, consider here as A and B as a reactant. When A and B reactant combine together to form a product C, and if this reaction is slow, we add a catalyst X. So, catalyst X will help to increase the rate of reaction. Now, whenever we use a catalyst, there are some conditions. The conditions are such like that the catalyst should not change its state of phase during the reaction or after getting reaction completed. Means if it is added in the solid form, after the reaction it should recover in the form of solid. The second, it should have the high surface area where the catalytic reaction take place. And catalyst should not combine with other product or other reactant to get another product which is not expected in the reactions. So simply we can say catalyst is a molecule or a substance which help to increase the rate of chemical reaction. Now there are different types of catalyst. They are, first is positive catalyst, second is negative catalyst, third is autocatalyst, fourth is catalytic promoter, and fifth is catalytic inhibitor. Now let me see each catalyst. First one is a positive catalyst. So what is positive catalyst? From the word itself it is indicated that positive catalyst means those catalysts which help to increase the rate of reaction. It increases it pays up the rate of the reaction. So such catalysts are known as a positive catalyst. For example, here we are taking a nitrogen gas when reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of iron. Here iron is added in the solid form, and in the presence of iron it will give the ammonia gas. So here iron will act as a catalyst. So nitrogen will combine with hydrogen in the presence of iron. The product formation will be ammonia, and the iron will be remain as such as we have added. So this is a positive catalyst. Here iron is a positive catalyst because it helps to increase the rate of reaction. Now second is negative catalyst. What is negative catalyst? From the word itself it is written, it will retard the chemical reaction. It will decrease the rate of reaction. In positive it will increase, but in negative it will decrease the rate of reactions. For example, if you are taking here hydrogen peroxide which decomposes to form water and oxygen molecules, but in the presence of this reaction, if phosphoric acid is present, suppose in hydrogen peroxide if phosphoric acid is present, it will retard the reaction. It will just stop the reaction of formation of water molecule and oxygen gas. So here phosphoric acid is a negative catalyst. Why it is negative catalyst? Because it is decreasing the rate of reaction. So positive catalyst means it helps to increase the rate of reaction. Negative catalyst means it will retard the reaction rate. Now third is autocatalyst. From word itself it is clear that autocatalyst. Suppose if you are taking here example as a ethyl acetate. If ethyl acetate is hydrolyzed in the presence of water, it will split into acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. Here ethyl alcohol which is formed will act as a autocatalyst or will act as a catalyst. Means in this reaction, autocatalyst means in some reactions there are some product which automatically act as a catalyst. No need to add another catalyst to increase the rate of reaction. So in this reaction, in the hydrolysis of ethyl acetate, here alcohol is formed, ethyl alcohol, which is known as an autocatalyst, which itself is a catalyst which help to increase this rate of reaction. So autocatalyst means the catalyst or the product itself will act as a catalyst to increase the rate of reaction. Now fourth one is catalytic promoter. What is catalytic promoter? For example, if you are taking here nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas, in the presence of iron, it will give ammonium gas. Now, catalytic promoter means some molecules will does not act as a catalyst, but it will promote the reaction, or it will promote the process of the catalyst. It helps to increase the catalytic properties of catalyst. So, if molybdenum MO is added with iron, which here iron is acting as a catalyst, so here molybdenum MO will promote the catalytic property of iron. Molybdenum will help to increase the catalytic property of iron. Molybdenum is not a catalyst. It is a promoter. From the word itself it is written, it is a catalytic promoter, means such molecules will promote the catalytic properties of catalyst. So here molybdenum will promote the catalytic properties of iron, and thus the rate of reaction will be more, hence we will get the product very fastly. So catalytic promoters are those molecules which promote the properties or which promote the rate of reactions of catalyst. Now next is catalytic inhibitor. It is just opposite of catalytic promoter. For example, here we are taking a nitrogen gas combined with hydrogen gas to form a ammonia, and if we are using a catalyst as an iron, if we add a carbon monoxide, if we are adding carbon monoxide, or if carbon monoxide are present in this reaction, it will decrease the catalytic properties of iron, means it will decrease the rate of reaction, because here carbon monoxide will act as a poison and it will make the iron poison, so that it won't help to increase the rate of reaction, or it won't help the nitrogen or hydrogen gas to combine the ammonium. So inhibitor, from the word itself, it means it inhibit the catalytic activity. So here carbon monoxide will inhibit the catalytic properties of iron. These are the 5 types of catalyst: positive catalyst, negative catalyst, auto catalyst, catalytic promoter, catalytic inhibitor. Now next is application of catalyst. There are different application of a catalyst. For example, first process is Dickon process, which is used to produce the chlorine gas. It is also one catalytic reaction. Second, Haber process, where ammonia is formed. Suppose nitrogen and hydrogen gas reacted in the presence of iron, it results to form ammonium gas. Such process name is a Haber process. Then in process of sulfuric acid, also catalyst used. In the process of vegetable ghee formation, also catalyst is used. So these are the application of a catalyst.